What's up, everybody? It's Jason and your boy Tip. He's back there just pigging out on hay. It is Tuesday, so you know what that means. It's time for Tip's Farm and Garden Tip Tuesday. Ain't that right, old cuz? It's Jason over here at Cog Hill. It is Tuesday, so you know what that means. It is time for another Farm and Garden Tip Tuesday here on the farm. Well, the summer garden has just about played out, except them sun-go tomatoes. If you've never planted sun-goes before, you definitely got to give them suckers a try. If you love delicious tomatoes, they don't stop producing.
Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
And they are so freaking good. There is a question that I do get asked, or have gotten asked a lot over my brief 3-year period here on YouTube. And that is about saving seeds. How do you save seeds? Do you save seeds? And my answer is yes, I do save seeds, but there's only a few seeds that I save, and that is ones that are extremely easy to save. I usually save my Seminole pumpkin seeds, I'll save beans and peas, and I'll save okra. Those things are super easy to save, and I'm going to show you how I will save, like these rattlesnake pole beans, how I'll save these seeds. And basically all I do is let Mother Nature be Mother Nature. I'm going to let her do her thing, and then I'm just going to come in and take advantage of it and just show you how easy it is. Because when you see how easy it is, and if you don't know, you're going to be shocked. Now my rattlesnake pole beans are finished. They are done for the year. It's over. Lights out. Thank you very much, rattlesnake pole beans. And I'm going to tell you, this is my first year growing rattlesnake pole beans, and I don't think I'll grow another pole bean, or if I do, it's going to be with the rattlesnake pole bean. This pole bean was awesome. And I got a chicken over here that's trying to lay an egg, obviously, and they fussing over the nesting box. Why them girls do that, I don't know. There's 16 nesting boxes over there, and they're going to fight over one. Lord help me. But these rattlesnake pole beans are super easy, and they produced a ton of beans for me this year. I'm going to tell you, we picked, I don't know how many beans off here. I got 2 rows, roughly 30 foot long, and these son of a guns are amazing. Usually what I'll do is I'll plant a row like this, and the last third or the last couple of plants that I plant, I won't harvest. I'm just gonna let the beans dry out on the vine, and that's it. I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna harvest the dry beans, and then I'll usually just harvest them, take them up to the house, get in that cold AC with some lemonade, and you got yourself some bean seeds right there. Now, once I harvest them like this, I will take them and I'll put them in a mason jar and I'll store them in the freezer. Now, there's 2 ways I store seeds. I store some in my freezer, and I store some in a shoebox inside the house. Now, why do I do this, that, and other? And which ones do I do this, that, and other? Usually my bigger hard seeds, like this bean or peas or okra, those 3 seeds, I store in the freezer. Most everything else I'll put in my shoebox. Now, why do I do that? Well, that's how my granddaddy did it. So that's how I do it. No scientific reason, no well-known knowledge or facts, this, that, other, Cornell University says to do it that way. No, my granddaddy does it that way. That's how I do it. Hey guys, what are some easy seeds that you like to save? I would love to know in the comments below. I'm constantly learning, and I learn so much from you guys. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. I gotta go see what all this fussing's about. See what's going on with these girls. Ladies! Ladies! What in the world? What is it? There's nobody in the nesting boxes. Nobody. Go that way. I'm pretty sure it's because there was a red hen in here, and that red hen is super broody, and she's been sitting on everybody's eggs, and I'm thinking that other chicken was telling her to please go, don't sit on my eggs, they're my eggs, I know what I'm doing, leave. And I think that's what she was doing. Let's go see if your boy Tip is through picking out on that hay. Nope. Tip, you need to save some for labor. Why are you gorge on all the hay at one time? You and Top. The TNT brothers. I mean, seriously, Tip? Seriously? You and Top don't save any hay for later, y'all just eat it all at one time? Hey guys, thanks for watching today's Tip's Tip. We'll catch y'all on the next one. If you're new to the channel, like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Me and Tip would love to have you. And as always, tell them, Tip, y'all be good.